Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a user to a Bitbucket repository step by step. This allows you to collaborate with team members by giving them access to view, edit, or manage your project. Let's get started. Bitbucket is a source code hosting platform developed by Atlassian that helps teams manage Git repositories and collaborate on code. Here's how to add a user to your repository. Step 1. Log in to Bitbucket. First, open your web browser and go to the Bitbucket website. Sign in using your account email and password. Once logged in, you will see your repository's dashboard. Step 2. Open your repository. From the dashboard, click on your repository where you want to add a user. This will open the repository page. Step 3. Go to Repository Settings. On the left sidebar, scroll down and click Repository Settings. This section contains configuration options for the repository. Step 4. Open User and Group Access. Inside the Settings menu, find and click User and Group Access. This is where you can manage who has access to the repository. Step 5. Add a user. Click the Add Users button. Enter the email address or username of the person you want to add. Step 6. Set permissions. Choose the level of access you want to give the user, such as Read can view the repository, Write can push code and make changes, Admin, full control over the repository. Select the appropriate permission level. Step 7. Confirm the invitation. Click Add to send the invitation. The invited user will receive an invitation to access the repository. Step 8. User accepts the invitation. Once the invited user accepts the invitation, they will be able to access the repository based on the permissions you assigned. Important tip: only give admin access to trusted collaborators because admins can change repository settings and manage other users. And that's it. That's how you add a user to a Bitbucket repository step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical development and collaboration tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.